How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be shooting an air pellet into the ground. So we'll go ahead and dive straight in. Our target there is that little piece of wood. So we'll see how she goes. Okay, we come down here. Looks like this is where she hit. Oh, there she went. There's a little hole there where she went through. But we can't see if she went into the ground. But there you go, guys. That's what happens when you shoot, straight into the ground. Or into a piece of wood, then into the ground.